MOTAT stands for Museum of Transport and Technology. We are a must-visit museum experience here in Auckland. Our vision is to inspire innovators of tomorrow through the past, present and future technologies that we have here in New Zealand. We have over 150 staff, we've got around about 200 volunteers, and on an annual basis we have over 250,000 visitors each year. My role is to make sure that we have a strategy that engages our staff with technology, enables them, and also pushes technology out there for visitors to be able to benefit from as well. Over the 2.5 years that I've been here, we've seen huge improvements, and a lot of that has been down to me being able to have good discussions with Ricoh managers, and they've understood my vision.
Ricoh provides all the managed IT services for MOTAT. That includes reactive and proactive services as well as end-user support. I think ultimately our design is always focused on the end-user experience. For MOTAT, we support over 100 HP desktop, laptop and tablet devices, and they've also got 2 DL380 Gen 9 servers.
When I first arrived at MOTAT, there was only patchy Wi-Fi. One of the biggest things I did straight away was to try and put Wi-Fi across both of the main sites, and that made it really useful for visitors and staff.
I feel like the technology that we are using now has really helped me in my job in terms of just being able to be more portable, on the go and having answers at my fingertips. So when I'm writing programs, it's not overly helpful to me to be chained to my desk. Whereas with the tablet, I can come up here into the classroom and write programs surrounded by the artifacts that we would use in that program.
Technology has a huge impact on all of the work that we do here in the library. So I think the key role is in managing our collections. Vernon, our collection management system, is able to gather a lot of different types of metadata and use those to sort of extract the most important information from our records. We also provide research services, advice on things like copyright and reproduction. We have an imaging studio, so we're able to do image reproduction requests.
We've also put in place 2 interactive whiteboards, which are starting to be really useful. We have 3 sites, and 2 of the sites are about 1.5 kilometers apart. They are connected by our own dark fiber, which is great to be able to have one network across 2 sites.
The 3D printer was brought into MOTAT to show the future of technology development. We took it on basically to demystify and to show people what can be done, from very simple hinges to more complex interlocking shapes. The technology gives a level of interactiveness that people don't normally get.
For me, it's absolutely vital that our technology is quality. And with the quality of the hardware that HP provides and the service that Ricoh gives us, we as MOTAT actually do have a quality overall solution, which for me as the ICT manager is really, really important.